Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing guys how you can simply use text templates and how to edit them a little bit. So simply select text and select the text template here. For instance, I want to use this text template, and here you can change the title of the text, and then you can just scale it down to put it in place a little bit better. You can change the font here, as you can see, and you can also adjust the font size. I think you can change the color for some, but you can't do it for all of them. As you can see, it's going to turn out weird. And that's basically it. Here, I'll just show you real quick. Say this one. Here, I want to change this part right here on, wait, where's most hilarious? Here we go. Here I can change the color of the text, but you can only do it to some. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!